Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our brand new 2024 Buick Enclave Avenir. This vehicle does have the ebony twilight metallic exterior color. It does have front and rear park assist. Also, it has adaptive cruise control. It does have passive entry on the front and rear doors. What that is there's a button right here on the door handle. You can lock and unlock the vehicle as long as you have the key fob on you. You do have the turn signal indicators on the side mirrors also. This is what the front of the Enclave looks like. If we take a look in the liftgate, you do have the power and hands-free liftgate. This is what the back cargo room looks like. You do have a cargo cover, and there is a 3-row seat back here. You do have power folding 3rd-row seating. Also, you have carpeted floor mats right there. And then if you have this, it is a nice thing to have because it has some privacy, because you can't see what is in the cargo area. If you do have the liftgate closed, you can't see what is back here. Also, you do have a little net. If we take a look in the 2nd row, this is what the back seats look like. It does have the whisper beige with ebony accent interior. These seats do fold down also. You do have heated 2nd row seats here, 2 USB ports, a plug, and then you do have heat and AC controls back here also. If we take a look in the driver's seat, you do have your driver memory seats and mirrors, power folding side mirrors, Bose sound system. You also have your heads-up display right here. You do have the dual skyscape sunroof right up there. For the buttons for that are going to be right here. Then you have your universal home remote for your garage door openers. Down here you do have your auto stop start, all-wheel drive, which you can turn on or off. You do have different drive modes. You have sport, tow, haul mode, and tour. Also, you have your hazards, front and rear park assist, and lane keep assist. You can turn all of those on or off. You do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also, you have navigation, and then we do have surround vision, so you can see around the whole Enclave right here, and you have different camera views and angles. Below that, you have heated and cooled front seats, heat and AC controls, wireless charging, 2 USB ports, and then your shifters right there. You have your cup holders. And then up here, you do have a rear camera mirror, which you can turn on or off. It is completely up to you. Over here, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, your cruise control buttons, which this one does have adaptive cruise control. You have voice commands, ending phone calls, and then this just changes what you want on the dash right there. That is all I have on this brand new Enclave. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.